So good morning, everyone. I'd like to welcome everybody to the presentation of our Smart Package solution. Today, I'm going to present to you our startup, Exhale. First of all, let me introduce our team members. Our team consists of three members, Bruno, who's a university student of the University of Zagreb in Croatia, Marek, who unfortunately couldn't attend today, but he was an active member of our team all along, and we would like to thank him for his work. And last but not least, myself. My name is Balázs. I'm a university student at the University of Debrecen. So what we're going to cover today, we're going to cover today different aspects of our product. And you're going to hear about our startup information, about our ideas, customer segments, persona, our competition, our product, the technical solution, advertising, prices, cost and revenue, risks, and the sustainability impact. But before we get started, I would like to ask Bruno to show our company's promo video.
Today, we live in a fast-paced world. Online shopping is growing like never before, and other services that require some kind of delivery are used more and more. So how to make a delivery service which is environmentally friendly but can also save your money and time? Well, you can Exhale, because we are there for you. We utilize blockchain technology to provide accurate information about our products at all stages. Our mobile app allows both customers and partners to track their packages. With the use of our framework, deliveries will be on time. The customer is notified of arrival packages in advance. We provide safety and data integrity for our customers. You are always involved. Customers can track their shipments in real time in our app. A well-informed customer means a happy client. This is our highest valued measurement of success. Our packages are made from carefully selected materials and taken care of once their life cycle is over. Exhale. Your package, our duty.
So thank you very much for your attention. I'd like to continue. So let's get started with our slogan. Just relax and exhale, because your package is in our hands at Exhale. Since our team members all come from the Central European region, we were trying to focus on issues we ourselves and local companies are facing. While trying to solve any problem, it is also important not to create any more of them. What we kept a close eye on during development was that our packages can be tracked during their entire life cycle, from the manufacturing process till recycling. Our customers can choose from a variety of package sizes. During delivery, the courier can scan the QR code of the provided app, which not only contains useful information about the package and its contents, but also registers who scanned it, where, and when. Until it arrives at its next destination, the package will be associated with the last scanned person's phone. So who are we targeting as our main customers? Well, the answer to that is new-coming courier companies. They often don't have the framework to just start delivering right off the bat. They need a database, scanning devices, and a carefully planned network that best suits their needs. But let's be realistic. What's the most important aspect of a company that revolves around delivering goods? Starting as soon as they can, because they can make money sooner in this way. Not having to build this system from scratch is already a big plus. If they can assure their customers that they're using environmentally friendly packaging, it is even better. Who wouldn't like to do something for our planet, right? So offering them our framework is based around an equally important aspect, and this aspect is transparency. Not only do we provide all information for our customers, even their customers are getting reliable information about their package. You know the phone when something happens to your delivery halfway through the process, and you're not even notified, or they say something vague like, "Yeah, okay, we're working on it. Your package is probably arrive to you in the next few hours, or just stand by, or whatever." But with Exhale, we try to make this experience worry-free because you, as an end user, are always involved and you have read access to the exact same database as the courier company. So if something happens to your package, you're the first one that gets notified. Since our business is concentrated on customers, we carefully analyzed potential clients. This analysis brought us to creating lots of personas, every one of them with a unique personality and unique needs. Robin Novotny is shown here as an example. When generating ideas, it was important to take competition into consideration. To mention an example, Spectus is a company who's producing a wide range of packet trackers and other postal and logistics services. However, there is no recycling involved in their services. They also don't provide an entire framework complete with databases. Let's talk about our product itself. The product itself is an ecological box that's made of 80% recycled material. This 80% is enough to make a huge environmental impact while letting us create a durable yet long-lasting product. And now let's talk a little bit about our app. Our app works in sync with our packages. And when a package returns, our database already logs the number of times the package has been in use. After a certain amount of time, a certain amount of uses later, each and every package goes through a screening process, where the employees determine if they're still in great condition, providing the basis for secure transportation. The backbone of our system is a cloud-based database that contains all the information about a given package. This will be enhanced by introducing blockchain to our solution. Using blockchain, we can guarantee information integrity about the entire life cycle of packaging through our 5 phases, namely, as you can see on screen, factories, inspector, transport, warehouses, and delivery. We're providing a framework which can be utilized by our customers, saving them the hassle of creating an entire infrastructure when it comes to delivering goods. Using blockchain technology is especially important to provide package integrity. There was actually a recent scandal in Hungary where employees were able to steal packages containing mobile phones during the delivery process. This is something that could not happen with our case, with Exhale packages, because as soon as the sender gives it to the courier, it gets registered in our systems. From this point on, at every single stage when somebody interacts with that package, it gets updated in our system. Even if the package gets damaged on the way, this helps us troubleshoot and pinpoint the exact time, location, and the person who's responsible for the accident. When it comes to advertising, it's all about finding the right person who needs our services. To make things easier on our side, we're using targeted ads to better reach our potential customers. Once that's done and attention has been raised, we're proud to present them our website, where each and every potential customer can try it out for themselves how our service works. With a generated database, they can test our systems before they decide on using it. This gives them a clear picture of what they can expect from our service. And if they were still to be hesitant, we also provide over-the-phone consultancy to cover each and every question individually. As one of the highest priority tasks for every startup, finance planning took us a lot of time, and we think that we found the perfect solution to make it right. As more and more startups are being established, countries started to invest more and more into them, and one of the examples can be found in Croatia. There is actually an option for students to get startup funding for the first year, which includes a place for business, all the necessary equipment, and also high-speed internet connection. We're going to need all of these things. During that first year, we can focus on developing our product without the need for keeping an eye out for different costs, using this time as best as possible we will develop a business model step by step, starting with lower prices for our first customers and raising our number of trackers and packages based on demand. Plan for sustainable profit is contained in the idea of including subscription plans. Subscriptions will consist of monthly and yearly plans, each one with its own perk. Subscriptions, as I already said, that we have two kinds of subscription, monthly and yearly. And so monthly subscription works like the courier company could get 10 trackers and 7,500 packages to use each month. And if they decide to use our yearly plan, those numbers rise to 30 trackers and 100,000 packages. For everyone else who use our services, we will provide the best price on the Central European market with only €1 per package. With detailed finance analysis of the first year that we did in our business plan, we're certain that we will be prepared for our next phase after our 1-year funding stops. Then try our best to attract more subscribers and follow our business plans for the upcoming development of the company. All of this would work like a charm if there was no risks involved. But rest assured, because we cared about that part too. So the two main risks which we found to have a high impact on our business, especially at the beginning, are not getting enough clients and not building a good reputation because of the big competition. Well, one of our main goals at the very beginning is to find the best platform for marketing, and that is social networking. Advertising on social networks and giving different sales and discounts for first-time customers will bring us clients. Maintaining our quality of service at high level will result in people spreading the word. This is one of the potential solutions to our problems. And the second risk is competition. Next step is to gather as many clients as we can, and we will constantly research the market on how to provide the best solution for people's needs. By starting our business in Central Europe with affordable prices, we have a pretty big chance of success. So, okay, let's talk about sustainability. We've described sustainability of our company and how we will cope with challenges, but how can we improve sustainability of environment and society? By carefully analyzing UN goals, we come up with a solution for both categories. Using our smart tracking, there will be less need for driving around, and by that, we will end up with lower CO2 emissions and other greenhouse gases. With the use of databases and making all data digital, we can also lower paper usage. And with introduction of blockchain, we are sure that natural resources will match all regulatives and be used more efficiently. Our chief solution could be used in developing countries too, but as we approach markets in countries with higher economy power, our business plan will allow us to raise prices in those areas. Even though it does not seem like something that will have a positive impact, it eventually will. Actually, with this, we can reduce inequalities between countries and help the vulnerable groups by making services completely free for them or partially funded through other bigger incomes. And finally, there are still countries that lack the technological infrastructure. So a big goal for us will be to introduce these kind of smart systems in such regions of the world. Thank you, everyone, and we would especially like to thank our mentors from Finland, from the University of Jyväskylä. Without them, this project would have been impossible. So thank you. Thank you very much for your attention. And as the last part of our showcase, we would like to show you the actual Exhale application that our customers and their end clients will use. So I would like to ask Bruno to show the video about our application. Thank you. So as you can see here on the screen, when you open the Exhale application as a customer, first of all, you're going to need to log into your account. And after that, you'll be greeted with an UI where you can actually click on your packages and you can actually track your shipments. As you can see in the video, if you click on one of these, you'll get all the information stored in our database about your package and the current stage of the shipping. With clicking the track button, you can also see that your package information is updated in real time and is shown you on a map. Also, an estimated time of arrival calculation is calculated in real time, so you have correct data about your estimated time of arrival all the time. So thank you very much for your attention.